Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to add running text to your WordPress website. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your site more dynamic by adding scrolling text in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for news, announcements, or promotions, this feature can grab your visitors' attention instantly. First, open your browser and log into your WordPress account. For a fast login, you can use your Google account. Just select it and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Quick Links panel and click Edit Site. This opens a site editor where all your customization magic happens. Locate the text you want to turn into running text and click on it. You'll see options for editing. Click the three dots to open more settings, then select Edit as HTML. Here's the fun part, adding the code. Type in the tag and insert your text. This code makes your text scroll across the screen. If you want it to move in the opposite direction, just change the direction from right to left. It's that simple. After editing the code, you might see a small error or prompt. Don't worry. Click Resolve, then convert your content back to blocks. This ensures your scrolling text integrates smoothly into the visual editor without messing up your design. Finally, hit Save and View, and just like that, your running text is live on your WordPress site. It's a small addition that makes a big impact, keeping your site engaging and interactive. Now you know exactly how to add scrolling text to your website quickly and efficiently. Try it out and watch your site come to life with dynamic content.